Also, let me read out the Outlook news, in which 10,000 acres was acceded as per the agreement between India and Bangladesh signed by Khalida Zia and Narendra Modi. Can Sanju Verma ji, the honorable senior Varisht spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party or the Jumla Party, can you negate this news, ma'am? Can you falsify the news? Didn't Modi ji agree to accede 10,000 acres of land at the India border India border issue of Bangladesh? Did it happen or not? Yes or no? If yes, if you had a problem with Indira Gandhi acceding 271 acres, why don't you raise your voice for 10,000 acres plus?
I'm not here to,
could you please throw some light on this same and enlighten us on the same issue?
Abbas ji, आपका भाषण सुनने नहीं आई हूँ मैं. Please, you paid me some flowery compliments, but अभी शांत हो जाइए.
नहीं, मैंने सवाल किया है, जवाब
अभी शांत हो जाइए. No. Now, Abbas, I heard you.
Okay, 1 minute. Aslam, you made your point.
No, let me speak.
Abbas, you made your point. Now pull back. Everybody's on. Yeah, you made your point. I allowed you. I allowed you then. I allowed you then. Viewers, a reminder before Sanju comes in. The subject of discussion is whether the Congress party has been parceling away and gifting pieces of land to different neighbors and different countries, and whether this violates our territorial integrity. Issue has become a political issue before the 2024 elections. There's a press conference of Jaishankar on it. It's become a huge political issue in Tamil Nadu and beyond. Sanju is on the debate with Pulla Rao. Yeah, Sanju and Pulla Rao. Yeah.
Thank you. First and foremost, I have to thank Tanveer. At least he, lightened the mood of the debate by giving us those laughs. But on a more serious note, Arnab, I have to say this. Look at the track record of the Nehru-Gandhi dynasty. Right from Jawaharlal Nehru, who capitulated in front of the Chinese in 1962, handed them over 38,000 square kilometers of Aksai Chin on a golden platter. We gave away territories in Tiapangnak, in Chapji Valley, in Demchok, in Chumur to the Chinese brazenly. And as you rightly said, but your audience needs to know again, fellow Congressman Nehru was asked by Mahavir Tyagi, Nehru's fellow congressman asked Nehru, why have you decided to give away Aksai Chin? And Nehru said, not a blade of grass grows there. And Mahavir Tyagi, pointing to his own head, said, I have a bald head. Does that mean that I should do away with my head? Because not a strand of hair grows there. But be that as it may, from a lame duck punch-shield agreement that was signed between Nehru and the Chinese government, from making the non-aligned movement completely defunct, from signing the Shimla Agreement in 1971 and still handing over large parts of Kashmir, what we call as POK, to the Pakistanis, from allowing the Chinese to have a free run in Depsang and Chumur in as recently as 2013 and giving away the Chinese 648 square kilometers in 2012 and 2013, something which was corroborated by then Foreign Secretary Ranjan Mathai. Two, giving over the rights that India had over Coco Islands by Nehru. He gave over India's rights over Coco Islands to Burma, which is present-day Myanmar. I mean, look at the track record of this party. To Manmohan Singh, who capitulated via that infamous Sharmal Sheikh agreement. The limited point I'm trying to make is that today Rahul Gandhi, he keeps saying, "Arey Cheen ki sena ghus aayi aur Bharat ki sena ki pitai kar di. Oh, Cheen has taken away so much of territory in eastern Ladakh." Despite Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, S. Jaishankar, Narendra Modi, सबने कह दिया है कि हमने चीन को 1 इंच तक नहीं दी है. My limited point is this. Why did Indira Gandhi capitulate in 1974? It is said that she signed this agreement to give away India's rights over Kachchitivu on the 26th of June 1974. And prior to that, she had a meeting with M. Karunanidhi of the DMK, who was the then Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and DMK's Karunanidhi signed an agreement on the 16th of June 1974 saying, I give general acceptance. There is no problem from my end if the central government decides to give up India's rights on Kachchitivu. So the DMK and Indira Gandhi were in cahoots to sign and ensure that India's territorial rights on Kachitivu were handed over on a golden platter to the Lankans, from giving away territories in Aksai Chin, in Depsang, in Chabji Valley, in Demchok, to giving away rights on Coco Islands to Myanmar, to, ceding away our permanent membership of the United Nations, saying, Nehru said, "Arey, India ko to permanent membership of United Nations ki zarurat hi nahi hai," to giving up India's territorial rights over Kachitivu. The Congress has covered itself in shame.